So today I'll be showing you how to access hidden apps on your OnePlus 15. Now, for me, I chose to have the secret code. So I just go to my dialer and put in the secret code that I decided when I was setting up my hidden apps. For me, it was hash, 3 zeros, and finish with a hash. And that opens up my hidden apps, and I can access all my hidden apps from here. So if you don't know how to access your hidden apps, you go to settings. Under settings, go to security and privacy, tap on that, and then scroll down to hide apps, tap on that. It's going to ask for your privacy password. You should at least know your privacy password. Okay, so mine is this. And then once you go into your privacy password, you can actually see a list of all the apps you might want to hide, and you can even tap on hidden and you can see your hidden apps. Now, if you go and tap on settings in the top right corner, you will see access method, tap on that, and then this is where you can see how you can access your hidden apps. So you have two ways: the access code like I just used, or you can have a home screen folder. So if you want to enable a home screen folder, you can go ahead and do that, which for me doesn't make any sense because it's not really hidden. I prefer to have the access code. Okay, so I have the access code there, so tap that and then you can change the access code. So just set up a new access code. It has to start with a hash, end with a hash, and it has 1 to 16 digits in between. So you can change the access code to something else. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.